Hi, I'm Adriana Baranek. You're watching UseWise YouTube channel. Here with me is Mladen Baranek, CTO.
Hi.
So today we will be talking about transparency in the public cloud. Transparency is one of the key words that comes up to mind when we are talking about the public cloud for various reasons. Can you, Mladen, tell us please a bit more about it?
There are aspects of transparency that are really well addressed with public cloud offerings. One of most important is logging, where all user and administrator actions are logged, and you can always get information who did what and when. So that is one of a very important aspects. Then there is also this billing aspect, where, for example, in on-prem environment, logging is usually lacking, and it is very hard to allocate costs. So there are methods like secondary allocations with percentages, where you assign costs to projects or organizational units. While in public cloud, you can rely on logging and billing, and you can actually assign real costs to projects and organizations, and they can manage resources and their costs. So it's not something that is kind of out of control like in on-prem situation. And then there is also a kind of a legal aspect where access to user data is controlled, and there is a transparency report from major public cloud providers where they state how many court orders or requests they got to hand over user data. And even in that case, there are well established and well understood procedures how how data may be accessed in some legal proceedings. And so there are a lot of issues with security in on-prem environment, where you have to rely on either third parties or service providers that are managing your hardware. So there are many aspects that can go wrong in on-prem environment. So that area is really one a very important aspect of transparency in public cloud. So.
Yeah, and there are many more aspects. For instance, we've had situation with some of our clients that they discovered that some of their employees were never logging into their accounts and not nor sending emails, and it was really eye-opening for them to see how that can be observed and taken care of when you're using the public cloud
Yes,
services.
so many tools will be able to generate reports, usage reports based on logged information.
Yeah.
So yes, this is one area where many additional benefits can come out from
Yeah.
transparency in public cloud.
Yeah, and both Google and Microsoft are very strong in that regard. So if you have some issues that you would like to discuss with regard to your move to the public cloud, we have office hours on Friday, and in the description below you can find a link to book your office hour and to talk with us. Do Mladen have anything else to add?
Thank you for watching, and
Yeah, thank you for watching. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye.
bye.